Warhammer 40k. Amazing hobby, bloody expensive. If you've ever looked at your bank balance and thought, this is fun, but how am I going to afford to eat? Welcome to my channel. I'm here today to invite you on my journey to scratch build everything I need to play a game of Kill Team, starting with this first episode. I'm going to be turning boring old Sawdust into DIY flocking for my terrain and bases. It's cheap, it's durable, and honestly, I think it takes a bloody good photo. Plus I already have everything I need, haha. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1 is the obtaining of the Sawdust. I got this lot from a woodworking project. I'll be sifting it to get rid of the big bits and general workshop floor sweepings. Chunky flocking doesn't exactly scream professional terrain. Plus, I find this process weirdly satisfying. Maybe that's just me though. Next, I'll mix paint with water. Nothing fancy here. I use about 1 part water to about 5 parts cheap poster paint. Precision isn't really necessary. Now into this I'm going to dump small handfuls of the Sawdust and mix like Uncle Ramsay cooking a gourmet dish. I'll keep on adding 1 handful at a time until the Sawdust stops changing color. I've found that smaller batches are easier to stir. Once I've got a crumbly pile of dyed Sawdust, I spread it out in a thin layer in a tray. If you're lucky like me, I live in a sun-blessed country, sunlight works great for drying. If not, you could leave it near a heater or a vent or on your fridge near the back. Just don't put it in the oven. I ended up with a pile of charcoal crumbs when I tried that. Through the power of editing, ting, ting, ting. It's suddenly dry. Okay, you'll notice that it's all clumped together, but that's alright. Just grab a sieve and start breaking it apart, forcing it through the sieve. I recommend wearing gloves, unless you want to explain to your co-workers why your hands look like you've just survived a cage match with a particularly angry roll of sandpaper. It takes a bit of patience, but I think the end result is worth it. Ta-da! Homemade flocking. It's durable. It's photogenic. It's pretty much free. You can slap this on your terrain, your bases, or in my case, my Kill Team board. Okay, this will be the start of our scratch-built Kill Team journey. So if you stick around, you can see more DIY tricks to stretch out your hobby dollars. Until next time, my friends, stay crafty.